Hey everyone, welcome to WebToTech channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change accounts on Messenger. So first of all, let's launch the Messenger application on our mobile device. Okay, here we go. Now once you are here on this page, you can see three lines icon at the top left corner, which is the hamburger icon. Let's tap on it. Now over here, you can see various options, but for now, we simply have to select the gear icon in blue at the top right corner. Okay, let's select this option. Now once you are here, we have to scroll down below and you will see the option of switch account here. Now let's select on this option. And over here, you can see your other Messenger accounts that you have been using. Now let's select on any of these accounts that I want to switch to. For instance, I'm going to select on this account right here and just tap on OK. Now let's wait for some time as this may take a while. Now over here, you can select any of these options, either if you want to save your information or not. I'm going to just tap on save and you can see that I have been logged in to a different Messenger account that I have been using. So this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more tutorial videos.